In today's quick video, we're gonna roast strawberries. We're gonna take fresh strawberries, roast them into a delicious sweet topping, which you can use for ice cream or oats. Let's get started. So here I have some strawberries that I've already washed, and I'm simply going to trim off my ends and coarsely quarter them or chop them. Depending on what you need them for, you could slice them as well. It just depends on what you're using your strawberries for after. Now my sliced or quarter strawberries, I'm simply going to place inside of a bowl, and then I'm going to drizzle them with some honey, but you could use brown sugar or white sugar and a splash of vanilla extract because it makes them even sweeter. And with a large spoon, I'm just going to toss all of this around and make sure that my strawberries are evenly coated. And from there, I simply transfer them right onto my lined baking sheet. Now you wanna make sure you spread the strawberries throughout your pan so they all have plenty of room to roast. And then in the oven, they go for about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the size of your strawberries. Check these out. They are perfectly roasted. If you're not ready to use the roasted strawberries right away, make sure to just transfer them into a glass lidded container and store them in your fridge for up to 5 days. If you love recipes like this one, make sure you check out this next video. See you next time.